why I chose health science as a major is the advanced anatomy program that Professor Skelton runs. Being able to work with med students and use cadavers in your junior or senior year is just such a big advantage that I can't imagine a lot of other students get. So that's huge, especially just all the opportunities you have here.
It's not just like learning from a classroom, which obviously the traditional way is great, but when you're like surrounded by peers and your friends and you're actually hands-on and taking something like learning about another culture, then it's like more impactful and you remember it more because it was something you were actively doing. It's the same way with senior research, that once you participate in research yourself, you have a better understanding of how that scientific process works.
Stetson really focuses on how to use the information that we've learned. So in nutrition, you learn not just about what's good, what's bad, what to eat, but also how you can help your community with that and how you can take care of others and yourself. In advanced anatomy, our final project is using our anatomage table to teach community members about a specific ailment or disease. So it's really about not just, okay, here are the facts, here's what you need to know, but also how to use it to help others.